Hello friends, my name is Anubhav More and today's date is 20 July and today I am talking about the features of Java. So first one is a simple, object oriented, portable, platform independent, secured, robust, architectural neutral, interpreted, high performance, multi-threaded, distributed and dynamic. So first one is a simple. Java is very easy to learn. Its syntax is simple, clean and easy to understand. According to Sun Microsystem, Java programming language is a simple programming language. Java is a simple programming language because Java syntax is based on C++. It is easier to after learning C++. It has removed many complicated and rarely used features. For example, explicit pointer, operator overloading, etc. Java which provide automatic garbage collection. Second is object oriented. Java is an object oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object. Object oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of objects that incorporate both data and behaviors. Object-oriented programming language (OOPS) that is methodology that simplifies software development and maintenance by providing some rules. The basic concept of OOPS are object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. Next one is a platform independent. Java is a platform independent because it is different from other languages like C, C++, etc., which are compiled into the platform specific machine. With Java is write once and runs into languages, runs anywhere languages. So platform specific is a software and a hardware environment which programs runs. There are two type of platform: software based and hardware based. Java provides software based platform. It has two components. First one is a runtime environment and second one is a API, application programming interface. Java bytecode can be executed on multiple platforms. For example, Windows, Linux, Sun Solaris, and Mac OS. This code compiled by the compiler and converted into the bytecode. This bytecode is a platform independent code because it can be run on multiple platforms, i.e. write once and run anywhere. Aura. Secured. It is best known for its security. With Java, we can develop virus-free system. Java is secured because no explicit pointer. Java program runs inside a virtual machine sandbox, class loader, bytecode verifier, security manager. Robust. The English meaning of robust is a strong. Java is robust because it uses strong memory management. There is a lack of pointer that avoids security problems. Java provides automatic garbage collection which runs on virtual machine. That's an object which are not being used the application or anymore. Architectural neutral. Java is architectural neutral. There is no implementation dependent feature. For example, primitive types is a fixed size. Portable. Java is portable because it facilitates you to carry the Java code to any platform. It doesn't have it doesn't require any implementation. High performance. Java is a high performance because it thank you.